So just grab the parts from the car, show you what we've got. So this is the bigger piece, and this is going to be used later on. This is for inside the fridge. This is a DA97-07190G. And this is basically the whole front cover of the inside where the ice builds up. Mine was all torn up. The thing was falling apart, and I didn't want to mess around. So this costs a little bit more, but it's got everything. It's got the fan, it's got the thermostat, and it's got all the new cover and everything in there. So I figured, you know what? If I'm going to do it, I don't want to take the thing apart and all that stuff. So the part we need right now are these guys. And here's the part number on these. They're a DA97-04049D. I'm very fortunate that I have Encompass Parts, which is a big parts distributor, is very close to where I live, and I'm able to purchase these and pick them up. You can buy these on Amazon too. I'll put links on the bottom for both sites, I guess. I'm not affiliate or anything like that. I'm just doing this because I've had a lot of problems with this fridge over the years, and I figured, you know what, I might as well share what I've learned, you know, browsing around the forums and stuff. But so this is interesting because this part looks exactly the same, the rubber part, but this is totally different, totally different design, and I'm excited. I hope that this does the job. This and some other things that I've seen need to be changed on the inside, with some movement on where the defrost thermostat sits and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get these ready. I was watching somebody else put these in, and he put them in like, I think he put them in like this. Well, they were in like this, so I'm going to put them in the same exact way. And he had to cut the bottom off a little bit because they're a little bit long with some scissors. So I'll go ahead, get these both ready, and we'll go put them in there. Be back in a minute.